Hey, this is Meradrin on the Impulse Patreon server for the third episode. In this episode, we're building a vending machine for a guardian farm. I will help my friend Foragen. And yeah, that will be a good build, really not a small thing. And the second build that I will need to start directly after this, it is the tree farm. You see the tree farm where I am over? This is the place the tree farm will be. Oh yeah, this thing will be big, a lot of redstone. So this episode, guy, you will see a lot of time lapse. A lot. Not so much of my beautiful speaking in English. Oh yeah, my wonderful word sentence totally well construct. Oh no. Sadly, you will not be able to hear this a lot this episode. But yeah, enough talking. If this thing needs to enter in one episode, I need to start right now. Reaching out.
Hey, what's going on, everybody?
Hey.
I'm here with Meradrin.
Hello.
So the other day I had this idea that we should make a prismarine stuff vending machine. Super easy, right? You put a diamond in, your stuff comes out. Turns out, not so easy. So I spent like a day and a half in the creative world making this monstrosity of a machine. Yeah. And got it working pretty well. And then Meradrin comes along and he's like, this is crap. We could make so much better.
That was not exactly the word.
Okay, that's not quite the words. But he was right, by the way. It was crap, and he made it amazing. So we're about to start the building, which really means he's about to start the building, and I'm going to stand here and watch in awe of his redstone skills.
Yeah. I really hope that will not take too much long, but the build is crazy. Maybe you can simply check the hole a little bit and see the hole in the background. It's real. It's really a big hole. Maybe dig up a little bit too deep, but yeah, that will look a little bit like that, simply for doing the redstone. So the vending machine, simply for remember to the guy that will give one full stack of item, and you will have the choice between 4 items, and you will be able to put in like the input multiple diamond in same time, and that will give you multiple stack. So yeah.
So yeah, it's really an amazing machine, and I am really grateful to Meradrin and some other guys that worked on this machine to make it as cool as it is.
Yeah, Rick helped. It is Rick that make me come, because I was not knowing that he was working on a vending machine, and Rick tell me, hey, can you come see the redstone? And it's the reason I come see your stuff. And Mobius give moral support in the same time.
He's good at that.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it is the time to start this. now the shop is finished. It's finished after 3 hours of really big time lapse. I have finally finished this shop. So yeah, I'm really proud to show you this stuff. Sorry, a little bit difficulty to talk. So in first part, you need to choose the item that you want. So you need to give the direction to the arrow where you want the item, but you put on the opposite side the other item. So you cannot really have a problem selecting the item for this. I really don't believe. So example, I want Dark Prismarine because I find it is the most epic block in all the game of Minecraft. So I come there and I need to put diamond stack. So why not get 2 stack? Let's go for 2 stack. So you put 2 diamond there. It is a trap chest, so only process when you release the chest. And ta-da! I get my first stack. And the second diamond is processed. And I get my second stack of items. So 2 wonderful stack, guy. So this is the basic of the shop. Now, I don't know if I will put this in the video. I will ask if Foraging is okay that I show you. But I will show you how you do the maintenance of this shop. Oh, and this light, before I step to the next thing, is the light indicate the current status level of the item inside the shop. If the light is open, you can buy this item. It's sure you will get your full stack. But if the light is closed, they have good change. You don't get your full stack, or you get 0 item, and you will lose your diamond. That would be a sad story. But if if I tell I am foraging and I need to do the maintenance, fill up the stuff in this shop, I need to put a key there. Hey, open the maintenance room. So the bottom chest is where I will place all the items. So why not give back the 2 dark prismarine stack to Foraging? So you see this thing suck the item fast? 2 stack simply go away like that. Boom. And after, all the diamond from the people bullying stuff will come there. So I will take back the money. I gave him 2 stacks, so I take 2 diamond back. And there, you have the overflow. What is the overflow is... Currently, Foraging, I suppose, put too much item in this thing, so currently the machine tell, hey, I have no more place, and resend the item there. Or if he put, example, cobblestone or dirt or whatever block that is not supposed to be sold on this machine, will return back inside this chest. So this is for the basic maintenance. If you need to go for more crazy maintenance stuff, you open there and you simply go see the redstone. Yeah, this is what I built. So yeah, this is the basic maintenance stuff, guy. I would close this now. So yeah, I'm really happy that this shop is really great. And I think Foraging have a really great shop now. But enough talking. I need to shift to the next build because I have a lot of things to do. In no time to lose, it's time to shift to the next project. What is the next project? Of course, I tell on the start of the video, it is this tree farm, the ultimate tree farm version 3. I built a tree designed by a guy named RedstoneSpire. He make amazing work with this farm. But you're maybe asking yourself, hey Meradrin, why you don't build the ilmango universal tree farm version 3 that output more tree? They have a couple of reasons, but the first one is this thing. Oh yeah, I'm sure I will be able to adapt the output of the ilmango universal tree farm for this weather cage, but that will need a lot of work. And the other problem is really not a small problem, is the fact this farm have a big bottom and the radius will be start to really hard to centering the chamber of for the skilly and same time the weather cage, because when I start to design this farm, design where I will put all the stuff and that back in the day, Mongo have only the version 2, so I tried to do a design with the version 2, and I was not really happy with the thing. And back in the day, before Impulse changed the server for a dedicated server, that was a lot of pain doing Redstone, and all the quantity of zero tick they have in the Mongo freeform version, I chose the Ultimate freeform version 3. And for tell the truth, I find the Ultimate version 3 a little bit more easy to build. But, yeah, in the same time, ilmango create one of the best tutorial for the freeform he build, so I feel a little bit sad down building the version he do. But, I guarantee you in the future, guy, I will build this freeform for another server in the netherworld, it's sure. But for the moment, check I gather all the resources that I will need to build this farm. Yeah. Create a list. So now are you ready for one of the most epic time-lapse? I don't know if that will be a great time-lapse. I believe, I hope. But yeah, enough talking. It's time to start, guy. this thing is finally complete. Hey, that was a crazy build. Let me tell you this. Not so crazy, but a big build. Yeah, I already maybe build more big thing of that, but this is really not a short build that take a really big 4 hour, maybe around near 5 hour building this thing. And yeah, you see all the recording, but you know what? When I was building the thing by accident, I do 6 error. So yeah, that was a little bit hard fixing all this. Let me tell you this. So the hardest problem to find was in this. I replaced by accident a place slab with a solid block that was giving power under the thing. That was hard to find. Yeah, the tick that you're currently hearing, it is the bone meal that I put inside the chest that is currently thrown there for going in the back. Yeah, because you need to remember when I am AFK to this farm currently, if you go down. Oh yeah, you have a Skelly spawner that currently die. And all time a Skelly die and drop bone, like you have seen, they are short. So the bone go there and the arrow go there. So yeah, all the bone go directly to the farm. Yeah, because I only need bone for this. So all the bone go there. The supply of the bone. And this chest is where I put the bone meal. And I had a sorting system for if a guy by accident put other item inside this chest, only the bone meal will be taken. So if I take example this bone and put back all this bone meal, currently he process all the bone meal. So yeah, maybe why not show you the farm in action? What type of tree? Why not start with a generic one like the jungle? Currently you have two modes, the oak mode and the acacia mode. Never forget to activate the mode because you can broke the farm if you don't. So up the thing, and now simply hold the button and look all this working. Yay! It's so cool. Really happy with the result. This farm is good. It's really cool. But yeah, whatever. It's time to stop. I will show you where the tree are destroyed currently. Oh, maybe I can show you the other mode. So yeah, the oak mode, you need to block the possibility to have a large tree. So what that do is a quadruple piston on the top, go down and block the possibility to have too much big tree. So like you can see, oops, badly aligned, tree never go, too much big. This farm is seriously wonderful. But enough. And the last one, the acacia, whatever. I'm not really good to pronounce this English word. But yeah, oops! Totally forget to put the mode. So yeah, I have a problem there. But I will fix that. Currently, if you only do one tree, it's not really a big problem. I will put a log there. And yeah, the farm is triggered 2 times and it is fixed. So, second take. Of course, the tree is processed more slowly. But yeah. It is linked to the fact this type of tree can have 3 blocks on the same 8. So in really rare case, so yeah, the farm need to process 2 times for be sure to remove all the thing that can be problematic. So yeah, this is it. Okay. I will show you now where the drop. Okay. I will put all this there. So I will go show you where the... So the tree go out from there, like you can have see, and it's directly push in a 3x3 inside the weather cage chamber. I have under pearl, wonderful. And currently, like you can see, I have no storage system. So like you can see, this is all the wood that I have gathered. Yeah, so I will add a sorting system on I will link all this to a storage that will automatically do the sorting system. But yeah, I'm really happy this thing is finally complete. So yeah, and thanks to Impulse, because he changed the server. Now we have a dedicated server, and this farm works wonderfully well on this server. And we link it with the cobblestone, all go well. This thing is able to keep up. The weather go. Are you happy, weather? I think he is happy. He don't talk a lot. It's more the type of guy that shoot and shoot and shoot. But who care? Yeah. So the next episode, that will be an episode where I will build a really big storage system with maybe a couple of options that you never see. I don't know what I will do, like cooperative work with other guy, because I always try to add a part that I do cooperative work with another guy from the Impulse Patreon server. Yeah. So this is it, bye bye, and see you next time.